What if I told you that you could create ultra-soothing ASMR voiceovers, or even run a completely faceless YouTube channel using just one AI tool, and you don't even need to use your own voice? Sounds kinda crazy, right? But hang with me, because in this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to use ElevenLabs to generate supernatural-sounding AI voices, perfect for ASMR content, audiobooks, or even explainer videos. If you're into AI tools that save time and help you grow your online income, make sure to subscribe to Hai Duong AI. And seriously, watch all the way through, because even missing one small step could mean missing something really valuable. Alright, so what exactly is ElevenLabs? It's one of the most advanced AI tools out there for converting text into speech. I first started using it when I launched my very first faceless YouTube channel. Back then, I was looking for an AI voice that actually sounded like a real person. And let me tell you, ElevenLabs nailed it. Now in terms of pricing, here are the main plans. Free, 10,000 characters/month. Starter, 30,000 characters. Creator, 100,000 characters. Pro, 500,000 characters/month. To try it out for free, just head to haiduongai.com/ElevenLabs. I've also linked it below in the description for easy access. If you're brand new to this tool, I recommend signing up with your Google account. Super quick and easy. Once you're logged in, this is what the ElevenLabs dashboard looks like. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the main tools. Voices, a library of voice presets, text-to-speech, the main TTS generator, voice changer, to modify existing recordings, sound effects, AI-generated audio FX. We're going to walk through each one. But let's start with the core feature, text-to-speech. First, let's choose the right AI voice model based on what you're creating. Here are some quick tips to help you decide. If you're making ASMR videos or professional voiceovers, go with 11 Multilingual V2. It gives you the most emotionally rich and natural-sounding voices, perfect for calming ASMR or any voice-driven content. If you want to try out the newest features, experiment with more languages, and save some budget, check out 11V3 Alpha. It's currently 80% off and supports over 70 languages. Just a heads up, it's still in alpha, so it might evolve over time. And if you're working on something that needs fast response, like a real-time chatbot or interactive voice experience, choose 11V 2.5. It's optimized for speed and low latency, great for real-time applications. For my own project, since I'm creating ASMR-style content, I'll go ahead and pick 11 Multilingual V2 for that extra warmth and emotional depth in the voice. Let's dive in and see how it works. Click on Voices from the left menu. Right at the top, you'll see a list of trending voices. These are the ones most people are using right now. What's really cool is that ElevenLabs supports tons of languages: English, German, Hindi, Portuguese, French, Arabic, and more. So if you're making bilingual content, you're totally covered. All right, let me walk you through how to generate your first AI voice. First, I'll go into ChatGPT and type something simple like, write 2 sentences about ASMR. Let's say we get, copy that text, head back over to ElevenLabs, and paste it into the text-to-speech input box. Now, here's a helpful tip. Right below the box, it shows you how many characters you've used and how many credits you have left. Perfect for managing longer scripts. Next, choose your voice. Let's say we go with Aria. You can preview it for free before spending any credits. Here are some voices you might like: Alice, Aria, Bill, Brian, and tons more. Each one has its own vibe. For soft ASMR-style content, Aria is a really great choice. Now let's adjust the voice settings. You can tweak voice speed. I usually leave it at 1.0 for the most natural feel. Stability. The default is 50%, and honestly, that works great for most scripts. Similarity. This is helpful if you're cloning voices and want consistency. Once that's set, click Generate Speech, and boom, your AI voice is ready. To download the file, just hit download in the bottom right corner. Super easy. Next up is Voice Changer, and it does exactly what it sounds like. Upload a voice recording, could be yours or someone else's, as long as you have permission. Then pick an AI voice you want to apply. Let's say we use the voice we just created and hit generate. Here's the before.
Welcome to the calming world of ASMR, where even the softest whisper can melt your stress away. Got today.
And after.
Welcome to the calming world of ASMR, where even the softest whisper can melt your stress away. Today.
Pretty slick, right? This tool is super useful if you want to avoid using your real voice, especially for ASMR storytelling or any kind of faceless YouTube content. Last but not least, sound effects. Want to create a gentle, relaxing background for your ASMR videos? Just type a description, something like light rain on leaves, and click Generate. ElevenLabs will create 4 audio samples for you to preview. You can listen through them. Most of the time, the quality is surprisingly good. Not happy with the first batch? Just hit Generate again to get more. Combine these sound effects with your AI-generated voiceover, and boom, you've got yourself a complete ASMR production. And that's the full walkthrough of ElevenLabs, hands down, one of my favorite tools for creating realistic AI voiceovers, especially for ASMR and faceless video content. I hope this video helped you get started with confidence. What feature are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I read every one. If this was helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to Haiduang AI for more in-depth tutorials, and feel free to suggest which AI tool you'd like to see next. Let me know if you'd like me to turn this into a full YouTube video script format with captions and timestamps. Thanks for watching!